Welcome, guys. Good to see you. Today, we're in the gym. Right here, Chance Bosley is doing simple box jumps, working on explosion and balance. From here, we have weighted squats, keeping our chest up, head up, finishing on our toes. Here, our athlete is displaying leg press. He's working on the leg press machine. Ordinarily, we want his head back on the padding, relaxed. This is his first time on the machine, but he will get better. We want the knees bended, exploding up with power on the finish. All right. What you see here is the Plyo box jumps. He's jumping hard as he can. He wants to land softly and finish up on our toes, but we're working on our jumping ability. And last, what you see here is goofing around and having a good time while you work. That's what it's all about. That's what sports is about. That's what basketball is about. Working hard, having fun. Thank you all for joining Creative Player Hoop Academy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please also feel free to suggest or request any videos that or drills that you would like to see done. See you guys next time. Many more videos to come.